We need... Guys, say hi.
We need a stick.
Mom, say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Cool.
We need a stick.
I'll go outside.
At our house, we measure with our hearts. I just poured a little bit of this sodium teraborate, which is basically borax mix, into some water. Waiting for Kaleo to get me some.
I can't find popsicle sticks.
Yeah.
Cut! Anyways, guys, it's your boy Kaleo. We're back with another banger. Today we're making slime. We had a bit of a disaster over there. So, yeah, we're making slime. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't do it. Don't forget. Don't forget. Okay.
Well, we have to mix this up.
Why did you get 3? What?
So you can mix this up.
Mix with mix. Mix, mix, yeah, mix, mix. Mixy, 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 mix. Hopefully we don't ruin the slime because my mom put too much glue. Did we put the activator, Mom?
I'm making the activator liquid right now.
Oh. Can I just do it? What? How? Okay, I want...
Here, there's a blue purple.
Okay, blue, purple, red. There's a blue, purple, red.
This one. Blue, purple, green. Purple, red, green.
No, let's do blue, purple, red.
Why do we always choose these colors?
I think it's mixed.
Okay, well now you're gonna mix this.
Okay, I'll mix it more. Tap, tap,
It
tap.
would look better if we did cleared glue, but I don't think we have any cleared glue.
I think I got some glue on my hand. Do I have to room?
We're gonna make snow slime.
Oh, and guys, make sure to check out my shorts because I just posted a new one like yesterday. So go check that out.
And we've got some diaper mix right here.
That's powdered snow.
Yeah, diaper mix.
Are we gonna put powdered snow in it?
No, we're gonna...
This isn't looking very good.
Stop, don't tilt it too much. Stop.
Ew, look at that. That's weird.
Now we're gonna...
Ew.
We're gonna take this.
That looks that you just made snow.
Listen. This is a process.
Oh. We're gonna have some snowy slime. We're gonna have some dusty slime. This is so hard to mix. It's so hard to do. Oh no, Mom, we messed it up.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
No, we didn't. Look.
The slime's all chunky. ASMR. Ew. My hands are so disgusting now.
I told you to wait until I mix it.
I gotta go wash my hands.
Now we've got snowy slime.
What? No, ew. Get that off the table. I need some sort of Velcro. I
think we need to do some more glue and water.
Did you really think I was gonna do that? Comment down below if she put too much snow. Are comments disabled?
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure comments are disabled.
Yeah, maybe.
Well, I'm pretty sure they're not. They might.
All right, redo.
Read.
Shut it off.
We're gonna try and save that monstrosity we built. Well, she is. I told her to throw it away, but she's not. So, yep, we're restarting. And we already had some glue and water already pre-made. Some of that glue and water already pre-made. We already had some pre-made. Oh shoot! It fell.
Okay, guys, so we got some more sodium tricarbonate. We got a little glue mixture here. We're going to try and make this slime a little bit more watery so that we can mix this in, and then it'll work. Maybe.
What? Mom. Now you did it!
Let's see if we can...
Oh no! Why? Just why?
Gonna try and mix this up.
That was not part of the agreement. That was not part of the agreement.
Wasn't it?
No.
Why?
You said you were gonna try and save that slime.
Yeah.
You didn't say you were gonna mix it in with this one. Okay, you're making another
That's
monstrosity.
how you save it.
You're making another monstrosity. We're gonna have to make this 50-minute video, Mom.
That's how you save it, is you mix it in with the other one.
Why is it warm?
Because I've been...
Why is it warm?
Because I've been needing it. Snow slime.
It's so sticky. It's all sticky onto my hand. Boy. It's sticking inside of the bowl. I can't get it out.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Hold on. Don't drop it
pounds.
on the ground.
That's like at least 4 pounds. Cut! Oh, it looks like a shitty this is so heavy. Apparently we're going to make fluffy slime with shaving cream. I'll go get the shaving cream. A paint?
Slime glue. Mixing the shaving cream with the glue water.
What did you just say?
Nothing.
What did you just say? Hey?
Only working out.
Yeah, fail. 2 of these videos so far were a fail. Eat it. Okay, guys, last 2 videos have been a fail so far. I have a feeling this one's not going to be a fail. Mom, what are you doing? Okay, whatever. Yum.
Alright, maybe this is what happened. Maybe I messed up because I added the paint.
Got a mustache.
Did you shut it down?
What?
This is a new video.
Yes.
Maybe I messed up because I added the paint.
Mustache.
And maybe also because I added the water. Where's the shaving cream? We're going to try this one more time. Go get the shaving cream.
Ah!
Careful.
Talk to the viewers. Hold on.
Alright guys, so if you guys missed our last debacle, we tried to do a fluffy slime. I've always been able to do just regular slime with glue and water. We tried to do fluffy slime. So,
Drink. Yeah, Prime. Hashtag not sponsored by Prime.
on this recipe it says, add
Smells so good.
the warm water to the borax. So, got the borax.
Mom, smell it. Smells like Prime.
Prime is gross.
Listen here, little lady. Prime is delicious.
Here, mix this. Mix this water.
I'm eating.
Stop eating. Doing a slime video. Okay, and then it says, in a separate bowl, add half a cup of Elmer's glue, followed by shaving cream, foaming
You have
hand wash.
Elmer's glue right there. Yum. Mix. Ah, mix. I think I'm done mixing.
Is it dissolved?
Yeah.
Where's your foaming body wash? Go get that.
Mom.
Go get it.
I ran out.
What?
You heard me.
You ran out?
Yeah, that's why you bought me a different body wash.
Oh. Go get that Dawn. Go get that Dawn Power Wash. Then go get like, you know what, let's not even do colored this time. Just see if we can do this recipe.
Okay.
Okay, so now it says to add food coloring for color, but let's just keep it white.
I'll get the full coloring.
No, let's just keep it white.
Sorry about that, guys. We got it to work. For some reason, the video cut off. I don't know why.
Shut it off.
I played it back again. So, anyways, last time she added too much water.
Yeah. This time, I think I got it.
Oh no, your hand is so blue. I don't want to touch that.
Hold on, I gotta mix it.
That
all
sounds weird. Oh, and today's shout-outs, well, the only shout-outs we've ever done, I'm pretty sure, are Sir Jacob 13 and Darren Monk with a orange background.
Darren Monk with an orange background.
That's not the name, but there's a lot of things that come up. There's a lot of things that come up, but
Okay, and don't forget that this month, guys, it's September. It's Pediatric Cancer Awareness Month, and we are
and my
raising-
birthday.
and Kaleo's birthday.
Oh,
We are raising funds for the Candlelighters Foundation, which they helped us a lot when we were in the hospital. They helped us with parking, with groceries, with meal cards, and everything like that. So we're raising those funds, and you can check out the description. We'll have a link to our team page if you would like to help us or donate or walk with us on September 9th.
Or, are they still able to buy merch?
Oh, we also have a t-shirt campaign. We're donating 50% of the profits to
Yeah,
a
merchandise.
Pediatric Cancer
Merchandise.
Foundation this month.
Yeah.
It's not merchandise, it's a t-shirt campaign. Bye, guys.